How to add subtitles in CapCut on iPhone. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut. Now launch it. Click on New Project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now head towards the video in which you want to add the subtitles. After you add the video, if you want to add audio, you can click on this option. With that, you're gonna get different options. You can use these options to add sound firstly. Once you do that, now how to create subtitles. For that, you can click on this option of text. Now click on the option of auto lyrics. Generate from all audio and video. As my video doesn't include any add-on audio, it is showing the option of video. But if you have added any audio to your video, you can select the option of audio or video. Likewise, clicking on this icon, you can select the language. Once you select that, click on the option of generate. Now it's in the process to be generated, wait for a few seconds. Now in your video, subtitles will be added. So this is how you can add subtitles in your video using CapCut. By applying the same process, you can add subtitles to any video using CapCut on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.